I had to do the side part by bonnet hairstyle because my wig just got ripped off. And it's time for me to do my hair. So I'm about to do a tutorial. I just dyed my wig ugly and just any old color. So I just dyed it like this brownish. I don't know, child. I use Sierra Brown. I'm gonna show y'all. I use Sierra Brown. So this is how it came out, but it was kind of already like yellowy, so I feel like it's like gold or something. I don't know. This is how the front looks. I just put some mousse in. You know, this is definitely a reinstall. So watch how I eat it up. I'm about to do the bald cap and take y'all through it. I'm not talking through it. I feel like I don't want to talk through it. Maybe one of these I will. I'm just putting music on. Let y'all watch. Yeah, I'm about to install this and let y'all see. Hopefully this lighting is good because my light is dead that I use. So I said I was making a YouTube video, so we gotta work with what we got booking. I'm gonna show y'all everything I used, and yeah, let's just go through this process. So yeah, keep watching.
Body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games.
Now I'm just gonna, I think I'm gonna use my Evan spray and melt it with my blow dryer and then use the band. I wish I had alcohol. I don't have no alcohol, so I'm really just trying to figure out. I just need to like manually clean it without alcohol, like with a rag or something. But I love the color actually. I didn't like it at first, but it is giving orange brown. It's giving fall. Period. That's all I was really going for. But I wanted it to give brown. But I wanted it to be light enough so that I can dye it again to burgundy. Y'all hear what I'm listening to? But I'm loving it. Like without the baby hairs, without even gluing it down all the way. It's just great. It looks great on me, like this color. It looks great. Like I really don't think I want to do this food. I think I just want to do a side part.
I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture. Body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you say you hit my line, I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all, but flex in front words. Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture. Whip, body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go.
Okay, so this is the results. So I'm satisfied with how it came out. It's time for me to get ready and go. So I'm just ending this out. But yeah, I think I did pretty good if I say so myself. And yeah, I guess. So yeah. But yeah, that's gonna conclude this video. Thanks for watching. And if you want this unit, make sure you go to PinkLuxx.shop for this unit. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And tune into the next video. I love y'all.